Hi guys, I hope you are doing fine. This is a quick one, and as you can see, the title of this video. If you are interested in buying a famous Oduifa book, um, I want you guys to show interest via the link in the description section. So you have to fill your details because I'm planning, or not even planning, I'm already going there. I want to meet the author of this famous Oduifa book. So I'm considering doing drop shipping for the book. And you know what drop shipping means? So it will be safe for you to have someone like me who can get the book across to you. So if you are interested, make use of the description section to show interest. When I have your details, I can message you subsequently to for us to plan on how you're gonna get the book. Okay, so um, you know what we do on this channel? We promote Yoruba culture, traditions, and religion, and this is a way uh, of uh, of waking up our culture, our forgotten culture, traditions, and religion. So thank God that we have a book. We have books, not even one, many, but the one I'm recommending to you now, probably possibly next week or upper week, I will be with the author. So I'm going to interview him so that he would share his experience with you, and as well tell you how to understand the book better. So if you are interested in having a book, so show interest via the description section by filling the form that you have the link right there. Thank you.